So did you go to Funnel Hacking Live 2023? Were you introduced to the attractive character flywheel, or are you just a content creator that is trying to be omnipresent across a lot of different platforms because you listen to Gary Vee, and Gary Vee, while his advice is great, it's also like oh my gosh, how am I supposed to be posting on that many places at once? So hi, welcome back to the 25 Days of Funnelmas. I am outlining tips, tricks, and hacks for your business to have the most productivity, the most efficiency, and the most effectiveness in the year of 2025. And we are doing that through a countdown leading up to Christmas. Even if you don't celebrate Christmas, you may as well get the benefit from it. Now, today's hack is going to be outlining in Canva a way so that if you're trying to implement the attractive character flywheel, if you are trying to follow Gary Vee's advice about posting on every single platform, every single day, multiple times, then you really need a way to create one piece of content and then use AI to auto resize that to every different platform dimensions, because an Instagram square post is ultimately very different than, say, a YouTube short. And regardless of whether you're posting video or text, the dimensions are different. But in Canva, there is an AI tool when you use Canva Pro that automatically will resize any design for ease, convenience, and all you'll have to do is a little bit of editing to tweak for each platform. But for demonstration's sake, let me show you what I am talking about. Okay, so right now we are in my Canva account, and for holiday purposes, I am going to show you with this just design template that they offer. So what you're going to do, it's as easy as this. You're going to come up to this resize menu. Like I said, you need Canva Pro if you want to be able to do this. However, once you have Canva Pro, it becomes well worth the money when, for instance, say you wanted to repost this as a story and you also wanted to do a TikTok video, and say you also want to do a Facebook post. And let's see, a YouTube thumbnail. We want to make a video about it, because all of these pieces of content are going to be interconnected in the first place. You just need some sort of post for everything. And then let's say we also want a Twitter post. So all you have to do is copy and resize, and it's going to automatically create all of these designs. Now, so all we would have to do is open these at this point, and let's just do one more just to show you, because obviously this has been a demonstration of how easy it is. So as you can see, this design has been reformatted for a YouTube thumbnail in this case. Of course, you would want to edit it a little bit in terms of resizing, and you could potentially add another image or something to make it a little different for like a YouTube thumbnail versus an Instagram video. But we've also got Facebook video here, where if you wanted to, if this was a video, you can obviously make that any size for any platform. This is mobile video, so now this is long form. And of course, there's some room to add additional things so that what you're posting is not necessarily the same across every single platform, but we've already saved here a ton of time just simply by selecting boxes and letting AI create as many additional variations of this one design. So if you thought this was helpful, you won't want to miss on the other 25 days of Funnelmas, which will obviously be posted to this channel one every single day. And I can't wait to see what you do with this, with your attractive character flywheel, or whether you follow Gary Vee and all of his content marketing strategy advice. But this will save you a ton of time and effort in being omnipresent, because while Gary Vee has a huge team behind him, chances are it's either you alone or you and a few other people who are trying to be as present as Gary Vee online. Now, we never start there, but this is a surefire way to make that process so much more efficient. So happy Canvaing, and I will see you on the next. For tuning into Business Fundamentals with me, the Business Cowgirl. And if you want more free, awesome content just like this to help your business grow and develop online from a seasoned expert in business technical architecture. But if you really want your business to grow, then I highly recommend you check out my weekly newsletter, Winning Business, from somebody who's been a business consultant for the last 10 years, helping businesses create efficient and effective workflows to help their businesses save them time, money, and resources. What does that really mean? It means the answer to the question of what you need to build for where your business is trying to go. So when you're ready, those links are always down in all my video descriptions for you. So to be continued.